Okay, we've got a Broadmoor Simplicity, model number 1694277, and the customer complained about a drive issue, so I looked under the machine and I saw this. Alright, so we're going to pull this apart. We got a snap ring here. Alright, and there's a washer for the pulley, so you can probably get that off all at once. Now, what the pulley's wiped out. You see the splines are shot in there. And the splines on here are going to be shot. These aren't bad here where the fan is. You can see where the pulley ends right there where that lip is. That was created because it was flopping around. So what we gotta do is get a pulley and a new shaft. This collar comes off. This is still good. New shaft. I'll get a new seal. There's a seal here. Clean it out. Pop that circlip there, and we'll put the shaft and a new pulley on, and it will be good to go there. This is common on the Deere LT, like 165s, 155s, where it wears the pulley in the shaft. With that, this is a K47A trans. I believe the Deere is a K57 also, but you got to check the serial number. And for some reason, the Deere unit, they make an actual input shaft kit. It comes with the shaft, a seal, a bearing. This I have to order all the parts individually. So I'll order them up, and then we'll show you how to pop this apart and put them back in when I get the parts in.